이게 뭐예요? 이건 사과예요. 저게 뭐예요? 저건 노트북이에요. Hi, welcome to 동그라미 Korean again. Today's topic is what is this? And we will be learning about demonstrative pronouns. Let's go! In Korean, there are three basic demonstrative pronouns. This, that, and it. This in Korean is 이. That is 저. It is 그. Simple, right? Great, let's move on a bit more. One thing to remember is these demonstrative pronouns 이, 저, 그 are not used alone by themselves. They always come with a noun behind them. For example, for 이, you can say 이 책 to say this book. Or you can also say 이 사람 for this person. Same for 저. So you would say 저 cup to say that cup. 저 노트북 to say that laptop. And it's also same for 그. 그 책 to say that cup and 그 사람 to say that person. One thing that might be confusing here is that we use both 저 and 그 to say that. But these two are used very differently. We'll get to that in a few minutes. Coming back to nouns. In most cases, for these demonstrative pronouns, we use it with the noun 것. 이것, 저것, 그것. The word 것 means thing. So that will make 이것, this thing, 저것, that thing, 그것, that thing, or it. For example, to say this is a book, you would say 이것은 책이에요. 이것은 책이에요. Now that is what a textbook would say. However, as the purpose of my channel is to teach you how to speak casual conversation in daily lives, this is the expression that we use more. So instead of 것, we say 거. So we would say 이거, 저거, and 그거. Let's see how that applies in real sentences. To say what is this? You would say 이거는 뭐예요? 이거는 뭐예요? To answer, this is a book. You would say 이거는 책이에요. 이거는 책이에요. Using that to say give me that please. You would say 저거 주세요. 저거 주세요. Using 그거 to say I know it. You would say 그거 알아요. 그거 알아요. With these examples, I think by now you'll have understood how to use these demonstrative pronouns. Now it's time to look at the word 그 and how it's different from 저. 그 is different from 저 in several ways. Here I'm gonna sum it into three things. First, you use 그 when the thing or the noun is far from the speaker but near the listener. For example, if I say 그 책 뭐예요? Then the situation would be that this book is far from me but it's close to the listener. Whereas for 저, the book is far from both the speaker and the listener. Another use of 그 is when you're talking about something or someone that both the speaker and the listener know, but it's not tangible now. For example, here's a situation. 그 사람 기억나요? Would be a situation where I'm asking, do you remember that person, the person who was here a few days ago, Then the third use of 그 would be when you're repeating something already said before. For example, 사랑, 그것은 아름다웠다. Would be a situation when you're saying like, love, it was beautiful. Now that's it. You've just mastered the uses of demonstrative pronouns in Korean. 이, 저, and 그. Good job! See you next time. Bye. 안녕.